Welcome to our channel, where we take you through the journey of a successful trader. Our goal is to help you understand the ups and downs of the trading world so that you can avoid common mistakes and make your path to success easier. In today's video, we'll share the journey of Alex, a fictional Forex trader whose story is full of lessons that can help you navigate your own trading journey. Forex trading involves significant risk and may not be suitable for all investors. The information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice. We strongly recommend that you seek the advice of a professional financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance is not indicative of future results, and trading in Forex markets can lead to substantial losses. Only trade with money that you can afford to lose. Please trade responsibly. This is also not a channel to teach you any strategy or edge. It will teach you something that no YouTube channel teaches you. It tells you about the real pain a trader has passed through and the journey of a successful trader. The struggles. Alex started his trading career full of optimism and excitement. He thought with the right strategy, technical analysis, and price action, he could easily conquer the markets. But like so many new traders, his early days were full of mistakes. He faced losses again and again, often driven by FOMO, fear of missing out on every opportunity. It felt like the market was constantly slipping through his fingers. For the first couple of years, Alex was fighting a battle of frustration. Every time he lost, he promised himself it would be the last time. He would swear to stick to his plan, to be disciplined. But as we all know, it's easier said than done. We all make rules, and sometimes we swear by God to be disciplined, but still end up breaking them. Why? Because we haven't mastered losing. As human beings, we don't want to lose. It's not just about money. It's about pride, ego, and the overwhelming desire to avoid failure. And that's what led Alex to break his own rules time and again. The big loss and the internal battle. Then came the turning point. One night, after another losing streak, Alex found himself staring at the screen, overwhelmed by frustration. His emotions were running high, his mind clouded by the need to recover the losses. In a moment of weakness, he broke his rules and entered a trade that didn't align with his strategy. Within minutes, the market moved against him. His heart sank as he watched the numbers on his screen flash red, and in that moment, Alex realized he had just made the same mistake again. As the loss mounted, Alex felt a deep sense of regret. But this time, it wasn't just about the money. It was about his failure to follow through with the discipline he had promised himself. He sat there in shock, asking himself, why did I do this? Why can't I just stick to the plan? He felt defeated, but more than that, he felt human, a trader struggling with the very instincts he was supposed to control. In that moment, Alex understood something vital. The market wasn't the enemy. It was his own impulses, his need to recover quickly, and his fear of losing. The real battle wasn't with the charts or the market. It was within himself, and the hardest lesson of all was learning how to lose gracefully. The turning point and a hard lesson. Alex sat up that night and promised himself that things had to change. He spent hours reflecting on his mistakes and realizing that to succeed, he had to embrace losing. Not just accept it, but master it. He knew that trading wasn't about avoiding losses. It was about managing them, controlling the emotions that came with them, and moving forward without breaking his rules. He understood that every trader goes through this internal battle. We all want to win. We all want to be right. But the true mastery in trading isn't in never losing. It's in how we handle those losses. And that was the lesson Alex had to learn the hard way. Success. After mastering discipline, from that moment on, Alex approached trading with a new mindset. He stuck to his strategy and made a promise not to chase losses. He allowed himself to accept that losing was part of the game. Slowly, his losses became smaller, and his wins began to feel more consistent. Each win wasn't a reason to become overconfident. It was just proof that his plan was working. And when the losses came, he didn't let them define him. He learned to let go of the regret, stop fighting himself, and move on. With time, Alex's discipline strengthened. The battle wasn't just about following a plan. It was about fighting his own impulses, embracing the process, and trusting that with patience, the profits would come. Advice to viewers. Now, Alex's advice to all of you is simple. The market isn't your enemy. It's just numbers, data, and patterns. But you, the trader, are the one who can make or break your success. Don't let your emotions control your decisions. Avoid revenge trading. Don't double up on losing positions and always stick to your plan. The true battle in trading is not with the market, it's with yourself. Mastering loss is a key part of mastering yourself. The market will always have ups and downs, but it's how you react that makes all the difference. Embrace the loss, learn from it, and don't let it control your next move. Conclusion. Alex's journey shows us that success in Forex trading is built on mastering your own mind. The hardest part isn't understanding the market. It's understanding yourself, your emotions, and your impulses. So don't be like Alex when he was chasing the market. Learn from his story, avoid the mistakes, and stay disciplined. Stay grounded, trust your strategy, and always remember, the road to success in trading starts with mastering your emotions. You're capable of becoming the trader you've always wanted to be.